Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you headphones. This has camera. Let's check it out. This is the world #1 headphones with the camera. Let's see. I'm very excited about this. Let's check the features. Bone conduction technology. It has image stabilization and fast charging, long lasting battery, an ultra sensitive high definition optical module, and this is waterproof. Let's go ahead and check it out. We have a nice bag. And we have the user manual. Bone conduction camera headphones. We have 2 magnetic charging cables. This is USB-C. Here we have the headphones. Here's the camera. We have 3 buttons over here. And the quality is awesome. Let's turn it on. There we go. Press and hold. Alrighty, it's on. Here is our application. And we're going to go ahead and edit over here. Connecting devices. Yes. Now we found the device. Connect. It's connected right now. We can go ahead and explore Hey Cyan. There we go. We can rotate the camera however you like. Rotate the camera back 90 degrees. It's awesome. I didn't even know that.
Hello, I'm here to help you. If you're asking, how are you? I'm doing well, thank you. How can I assist you today?
Yes, it has AI also. Let's continue. There is sound recording, video recording, taking a picture, and listening to music. And here done. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and install the new software and come back. We can go ahead and take a picture, but I'm going to go ahead and remove this. We can see the camera better. Let's see. It took the picture and we can record the video. Now it's recording. Vertical or horizontal. Now it started recording. Whenever it's recording, basically you can see the red light right there. Whenever it's done, just press there. That's it. And you can record the sound also. Turn off camera. Now it's recording. This is how we're gonna take a picture. First of all, we're gonna switch the camera on. Now it's on. Go ahead and press take a photo. Now you're gonna see the red light. That means it took the photo. If you wanna record a video, press there. Now it's recording. If you wanna record the sound, turn it to the right side, 90 degrees, and then record sound. Now it started recording. If you wanna take a picture, you can go ahead and switch. Now it's on. You can press only 1 time. It's gonna take a picture. If you press 2 times, it's gonna start recording. If you wanna record a sound, basically you need to turn off the camera like that and then press twice. Now it's recording the sound. When you press on plus, basically you're increasing the volume and decreasing the volume. If you wanna press triple times, you're gonna change from music to game mode to music mode. And we have AI translation mode, on-screen translation. You see upside down. You can just press over here. This is Chinese right now, and I can go ahead and choose English. This side is English, United States, and I'm gonna choose this side, Turkish. Let's see how it's gonna work. Nasılsın? How are you? As you can see. And let's go back and simultaneous translation. English and Spanish. Stop the translation. And now can hear. I like it. During the meeting, you can record your sound, and you're gonna have meeting minutes. Hello, today's meeting about these headphones. It has camera. As you can see, it is directly translating. Let's go back. We are done with AI translation. And there is voice assistant. Whenever you say, hey, Cyan, it's gonna be active. Let me go ahead and put on my ears. Now we're good to go. Here is the camera. When you turn 90 degrees, now it's active. When you press the power button 2 times, it's gonna start recording the video. Now it's recording. That's red, as you can see. And we can go ahead and stop it. And 1 time, it's gonna take a picture. Now took the picture. If you wanna record the sound, just put it in place, and then 2 times, and it's gonna start recording. Now it's recording. Now I'm outside and it's a little bit windy, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn this to 90 degrees, and it's gonna start recording. Right now it's recording. The good thing is you can adjust angle up and down. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and walk around and look around. At the same time, it's gonna record. Now I'm checking my front yard, and you can check the quality of the sound recording and the video recording. Let me go ahead and walk fast, and we're gonna check the image stabilization. We can go ahead and stop it. Now it's stopped. Here we have the recording settings, video frame direction. You can either record it horizontally and vertically. This is a great feature. And the video duration from 1 minute to 20 minutes. About recording duration, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes. Here is another great settings. Rotate the camera to record. Whenever you rotate the camera, it's gonna start recording. If you want, you can turn it off here. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Recording settings for vertical. I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it, and it's gonna start recording. Now it started recording. I'm just gonna walk around. I'm looking at my car. Now I'm gonna go to my cell phone and change the record settings. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. And I will change the record settings to horizontal. Now I changed it. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Now it started recording horizontally. Here's my car. And you can check the quality of my sound. Outside is a little bit windy. That's why. Maybe sound, there is some problem with the windy area. We're gonna go ahead and compare both video qualities, vertical and horizontal. Recording horizontally. Here is my car, and you can check the quality of my sound. Outside is a little bit windy, that's why. Maybe sound, there is some problem with the windy area. I'm looking at my car. There is no wind over here. Hello. I'm just doing the selfie. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use AI version right there. And I'm gonna say, hey Cyan, what is in front of me? And it's gonna take a picture and let us know. Let's see.
Phone mounted on a flexible arm or phone holder positioned horizontally. The phone screen shows a video or a live feed of a man wearing a red shirt. Surrounding the phone is a circular LED ring light, providing illumination. On the desk below, there are scattered papers or notebooks, a pen or a stylus, a black cylindrical object, possibly a...
As you can see, all the information right there. And you can see the past. whatever you're talking. It's basically taking a picture and depicting whatever it's in the picture. Definitely suggested. Here is the charging area. This is magnet. You see, I'm not even putting it. It's just going by itself.